he paid for his order. He just left the McDonald's, but he forgot to get his food.
Oh, sure.
But it was a girl. It was an older lady, though. Oh my God. It was an older lady. Yeah, and I remember seeing her. She's an older lady. She got to be in her 90s or 80s.
Aww.
But the way she left, I thought she left like she didn't want the food anymore. She. He forgot. He paid and forgot. Yeah. All right. Thank you. This guy in the drive-thru.